Hello everyone! So for today's video, I'll be sharing you how to apply here in 51 Talk. Ito yung pinaka-common na tinatanong sa akin ng mga interested applicant, how to apply, how po teacher. So actually, we only have 5 easy steps. So ang una talaga natin gagawin is to click a link. So if you want me to guide you, you can click my referral link. Okay, so where can you find my referral link? So if you have seen this one in YouTube, you can click my referral link under description box or in the comment section. If you have seen this one in Facebook, you can see that one in the description above. And if you have seen this one in TikTok, you can go to my profile bio, click my link there, or pwede naman sa description ng video na to or in the comment section. Or the best thing that you should do is to message me para mabigyan ko kayo ng complete instructions before you will click my referral link. So, as you click my referral link, agad-agad na makikita nyo to. So, you have to only enter the following. Your name, your surname, your email. So, dapat tama po yung email address natin. Kung mayroong mga information via email na isesend si 51 Talk sa inyo, ay talagang re-receive ninyo. Okay? Then, preferred schedule. Yes or no lang yan, teacher. Mobile number. Dapat tama yung mobile number. Of course, your chosen password. Then, you have to click the sign up. Tapos lalabas po yung thank you for signing up. So meaning to say naka-proceed talaga yung inyong application. And you have to enter your date of birth, gender, educational background, preferred time to teach, and the rest of the information. After that, makikita nyo na po ito. Then you have to complete your profile. Yan po. So yun yung number 1 talaga na gagawin natin. Sign up and complete your profile. So dapat talaga na makomplete natin yung profile, yung may button na complete your profile in the upper right portion of your portal. So after that one, you will have the online interview. You can see this one, yung start now. If you want to go on for AI interview, you can immediately click the start now. Okay, papunta yon sa AI interview. You can only enter start now within 6 hours. So paglagpas ng 6 hours, you will receive an email or a human interview na po kayo. Meaning to say, may expiration yung start now. Up to 6 hours lang po yung tagal na makikita nyo po yung start now. Doon pala sa AI, that is a 5-minute oral test wherein you will have 3 simple steps. You have to verify your information, read a short passage, and complete the rules assessment. So if you are unprepared kasi kulang pa po kayo sa equipment, you can go on for a human interview. After the online interview, you will go on na po for the pre-service orientation. That is already the 3rd step. Pre-service orientation and technical checking. So sa pre-service orientation or PSO, that is a self-paced orientation wherein you will be watching series of videos, tapos you will have your self-assessment test. So you have to watch the video and attentively listen to it so you can answer the questions 100%. Then in your tech check, make sure that your internet is stable. You have the required internet speed. Of course, yung laptop specification, pasok po siya sa requirements ni 51 Talk. Okay? That is step number 3. Go na po kayo to step number 4. So you have to click ready to go and then mamimili po kayo ng inyong schedule for your new teacher's training. In your new teacher's training, you will have your mock demos. Mayroon dong trainer na tuturuan kayo paano magturo here in 51 Talk. And then you will also have some pronunciation checking and also more on learning how to navigate AC and teaching level 0 student. So it is a pass or failed training. Now, if you pass the NTT, you are now in step number 5, demo teaching, onboarding, and start teaching. In demo teaching, that is the CE demo in which a Chinese evaluator will evaluate your teaching on AC. If you pass the teaching demonstration, you will have the onboarding seminar. So tuturuan na po kayo regarding your page activation, ano i-navigate yung my page, and everything about being a teacher here in 51 Talk. After that is you will have your profile review and finally you will be launched as an official 5-1 Talk teacher. So those are the 5 easy steps here in 5-1 Talk. So if you seek for more clarification and if you want me to guide you in your application process, then don't hesitate to message me here in TikTok, in Facebook, in Messenger, and in my YouTube channel so that I can guide you all throughout your application process, okay? I will be very much willing to guide you in your application. Thank you very much, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye bye, and God bless your application here in 5-1 Talk.